Introduction: The Power of Magnification.
The medical microscope transforms science by allowing humanity to see a hidden world invisible to the naked eye. Its development unlocked breakthroughs in medicine, biology, and our understanding of disease. Journey through the milestones that shaped how microscopes revolutionized healthcare and paved the way for modern scientific discovery.
Origins: The first microscopes.
The concept of magnification began in the late 1500s. Dutch spectacle makers Hans and Zacharias Janssen are credited with creating the first compound microscope around 1590. This early invention allowed scientists to observe objects in greater detail than ever before, laying the groundwork for future advances in medical observation.
Antonie van Leeuwenhoek, the father of microbiology.
In the late 1600s, Antonie van Leeuwenhoek built microscopes with remarkable magnification. His observations of bacteria, sperm cells, and red blood cells stunned the scientific world. Leeuwenhoek's discoveries revealed the existence of microscopic life, forever changing the understanding of health, disease, and the complexity of living organisms.
Improvements and scientific breakthroughs.
The 19th century saw major advances in optics and lens crafting. Carl Zeiss and Ernst Abbe perfected compound microscopes, producing clearer and more reliable images. Enhanced microscopes contributed to the germ theory of disease, cell theory, and advances in pathology, fundamentally changing diagnostic medicine and laboratory research.
Modern medical microscopes and their impact.
Today, medical microscopes use powerful lenses and digital technology to visualize cells, tissues, and microorganisms in stunning detail. Electron and fluorescence microscopes reveal molecular structures unimaginable in earlier centuries. These advancements support breakthroughs in diagnostics, treatments, and biomedical research, continuing to transform how science understands and fights disease.
Legacy: A window into the invisible.
The evolution of the medical microscope is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. From its humble beginnings to the cutting-edge instruments of today, microscopes have continually opened new windows into biology. Their legacy endures, driving discovery and improving lives by allowing us to see and understand what was once invisible.